the life and death fight over confirmations to the D.C. Circuit Court. We'll talk about that today. The fight last week in the Senate over confirming Obama's nominees to the National Labor Relations Board and to the Bank Consumer Lending Commission were just warm-ups, just spring training for the real fight, which is going to come up in the next few months, which is confirmation of the three nominees he's made to the D.C. Circuit Court. The Circuit Court is critically important because it's there that all challenges to federal regulations and executive orders go. And the EPA, for example, has basically written an entire new environmental law for the United States, a climate change law, almost precisely mirroring the bill that Congress refused to pass, even when Obama had 60 votes in the Senate. And they're basing this all on executive action that they claim is legal under the 1972 Clean Air Act. The Clean Air Act is a totally different piece of legislation that was designed to eliminate health hazards from particulates and nitrous oxides and that stuff, which have largely been solved. They're now using this for carbon dioxide and carbon emissions, which has nothing to do with health. It only has to do with so-called climate change. So the question is whether these usurpations of executive authority will be permitted or not. Now, right now, the D.C. Circuit Court has 8 of its 11 judges sitting, and fortunately, it's 4 Democrats and 4 Republicans, so it's likely to be a fair hearing. There are 3 vacancies on the court, and Obama has nominated liberal, radical judges to fill each of the 3. They would undoubtedly just be rubber stamps for him. And the Republicans are making the case that you don't need the 3 extra judges in the first place, because the workload of that court has dropped significantly, and the 8 judges appear to be able to handle it. There's not a significant backlog or anything like that. But Obama's determined to get his people in there to win those decisions at the Circuit Court, and it's a crucial fight. And that's what the nuclear option really was all about. Harry Reid was using the executive branch appointments to threaten to change the rules of the Senate based on a procedural motion so that he could, with 51 votes, cut off the ability to filibuster and therefore require 60 votes to pass a bill or to bring it up. And right now he is using it or trying to use it with executive branch appointees. The Republicans basically said, don't change the rules, we'll confirm these people for you, with some minor face savings. But now they're going to come to the judicial appointments where that compromise may not be possible. The faint ray of hope on the horizon here is that as the Republican prospects for winning the Senate increase, and 2 days ago in my video on Tuesday, I talked about how much they have improved in recent weeks, the Republicans may have a case, and the Democrats may be reluctant to eliminate the filibuster rule because the day may not be far off when they have to benefit from it, when they are in the minority. But this is going to be a big fight with crucial stakes. And, of course, many of the Supreme Court judges are chosen from the D.C. Circuit bench. John Roberts, for example, was chosen from that bench. But far more important is the environmental regulations and the battle that's going to ensue over that. So we'll keep you posted on that, but stay tuned. Thanks for watching.